Well, as y'all can see, I'm in the process of moving, but I still need to get some content out to you guys. So tonight, I'm going to be making shrimp and chicken Alfredo. Now, I'm in between two houses, here and there. I took all my pans over there, so I only have maybe 2 or 3 pans over here, but I'm still make it work and show you guys how to make some chicken shrimp Alfredo. Not homemade with my twist on it. So I'm gonna put this down and get ready to start dinner. So let's go. Now I'm cleaning up my chicken. Pour a little bit of vinegar just to clean it, but I don't want it to stay on too long because I don't want it to have no kind of vinegar taste, just to clean the meat. I always wear gloves when it comes to chicken, especially chicken, but mostly any meat I wear gloves. Just don't like it on my hand. So now that I've rinsed off all of the vinegar, take that blood taste away, I'm gonna season the meat. Be right back. Okay, now I put a little of olive oil in the pan and I put some garlic butter. So I'm gonna let that melt down for us to cook our chicken. I got biscuits ready to go in the oven. Just waiting for the oven with the preheat. These are about the only 2 pans I have here. These are the worst pans, but I'm gonna tell you, they cook good. So we're gonna still do what we do. And right here, I have the seasoning. Now I put all of my seasoning inside of here. I feel like you should use the seasoning that you desire and that you like to use. Not run to the store looking for all of these different seasonings that I use. Now, if it's something special for that dish, I will let you know if you need that ingredient to go get. But the ingredients that's in here is just your basic paprika, lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, things like that. Little pinch of salt, red pepper, and so on and so on. Some different Mrs. Dashes is in here too. Okay, and then I put a little chili seasoning in it. Not a lot because I don't like it real spicy, but just to give it a little kick. So what I do is I pour it all on my chicken and I just marinate it all together. I'll show you when we come back. Okay, now that I put all of my seasonings in, I just make sure that I just get it all around. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna place it in our pan, and our pan is pretty much ready. Okay, so let's go put it in the pan. Okay, so now we're gonna put our chicken in the pan with a little olive oil and some garlic butter. And then we're going to let that cook down. Put the top on it. I just like to let it get a little moist. Our water is over here to put our noodles in, to get our noodles ready when our pan get hot. I'm going to add a little more olive oil so our noodles won't stick, and then we'll let that cook, and as soon as the oven's ready, we will be putting in our biscuits. So it's a quick meal, but it's going to be a good meal. We'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding some onions. Not everybody put onions in their Alfredo, but I do because I like onions. I'm going to be putting some spinach. Like I said, it's a quick meal, so I got some frozen chopped spinach, and I like to use the veggie green ones, spaghetti, but you can use it for any kind of pasta dish that you desire. So these are the things that I'll be using. Right now I'm going to get ready to take out the spaghetti because it still will be cooking. The Alfredo, I added some shrimp after my chicken got done, because like I said, we're working with 2 pots, so we're going to make it work in a short period of time. So this right here is cooked, but it's still marinating, and you know it don't take shrimps that long to cook. So we'll be right back. And then we're going to rinse some cold water to stop the cooking process. Your noodles still will be getting softer and softer as hot as they stay. So you use cold water to cut down the cooking process. Okay, we'll be right back. We're getting ready to start our sauce. Biscuits are ready. So now I have my Alfredo in the pot. I am going to add my shrimp, and I cut up a little bit of chicken, but like I said, I don't have everything I need here, so it's enough chicken for us. So I just chopped up a little bit with the shrimps, and then I'll plate it differently. Just a little juice. Then I'm gonna put my onions in there. I'm gonna add some more parsley. Even though this is a can, I still have to add my little flavor to this sauce here. This sauce is, I put a little garlic in there. Then I mix it up. And we're gonna add some spinach. So now I added some spinach in, and then we're going to add our noodles. We probably won't use all of the noodles, okay? So we'll probably just use as much as we can. You might not need all of them. Okay, let's see how that goes. So now we're going to add our Colby Jack, you know, inside of here. then we're going to add mozzarella and Parmesan. This is mozzarella and Parmesan mixed together. I'm going to stir all of this together. Looks good. I'm going to put just a couple more noodles in here, and then we'll see as we let this, marinate together. Put the top on here, and we'll be back. Dinner is ready. Work of Excellence LLC has done it again. Chicken and shrimp Alfredo with a biscuit. Quick dinner. This dinner reminds me of when I was moving one time and I put all my pots and stuff in a garbage bag to put in the truck, and the kids or somebody thought it was garbage and threw it in the garbage. I got to the new house to cook, I had no pots. After I moved and spent all that money, I didn't have money to just go buy any pots, so I went to a store and bought some cheap pot sets. And boy, my kids were just saying how good dinner was. You just do with what you got, and it'll come out right. So till the next time you come to Sandra's Kitchen, be good to each other. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. We'll see you soon. Very good. Quick dinner. Work of Excellence has done it again. Till the next time I see you guys in my kitchen, I'm going to finish and enjoy my dinner. See ya.